Valet battery upright is a battery-powered upright vacuum that is lightweight and powerful and has a runtime of 60 minutes. Please read the full user instructions before using this machine and check that your supply voltage corresponds with that marked on the rating label on the rear of the machine. Remove the handle bracket by removing the two screws. Place the handle onto the back of the vacuum, aligning the two holes. Place the handle bracket back into position and secure the two screws. Unzip the bag compartment and check the vacuum bag is fitted. The on-off button is situated on the handle. When the machine arrives, place the machine on full charge for first use. This will take approximately 2.5 hours. To charge the battery, plug the AC cable into the charger and plug the DC cable into the charge point on the battery. Then plug into the wall socket. The charger LED light will be red during charging and will turn green when the battery pack is fully charged. Always unplug the charger from the charger point before use. The battery life display is situated at the back of the machine. Press the button on the battery to illuminate the LED lights. When the battery is fully charged, there will be 4 green lights and 1 red light showing. As the battery is discharged during use, the number of green lights showing will reduce from 4 to 0. When all the green lights are off and only 1 red light is showing, there is a small amount of time remaining before the battery will be fully discharged and will need recharging. To recline the vacuum, press the handle release pedal located on the back of the vacuum, with your foot to recline the handle. To start the machine, press the power button on the handle and start vacuuming. The vacuum is designed with an automatic self-adjusting nozzle that allows the nozzle to float evenly over all flooring surfaces and will adjust automatically to the floor surface. No manual adjustments are required. The edge cleaning feature provides improved cleaning near walls and stationary furniture. For maximum edge cleaning, place the left side of the nozzle from the user's perspective against the wall or stationary furniture. Your vacuum is equipped with a squeegee on the bottom of the vacuum to improve its effectiveness in cleaning hard floors. The vacuum will lay flat on the floor for effective cleaning under beds and tables. Press the handle release pedal once and continue to lower the handle to enable the vacuum to lay flat on the floor. To replace the vacuum bag, ensure the machine is switched off and unplug from the charger. Unzip the bag compartment. Remove the used vacuum bag by pulling the green bag collar tab away from the vacuum. Slide the used bag out of the bag holder, which automatically seals the bag opening. Discard the used bag. To install a new bag, slide the bottom of the green bag collar into the bag holder until it snaps into position. Push the top of the bag collar upward until the collar snaps into place on the vacuum. Tuck the bag corners into the bag compartment and then zip the bag compartment closed. Ensure the machine is switched off. After every use, check the battery cable for any wear or damage. Check the dust bag and if full, replace. Check the battery charge status and charge if required. Store the machine in a dry indoor area only.